The other type is start not sticky. If you return start not sticky, it indicates that the service should not be restarted by the system after it has been terminated. This service will remain stopped unless explicitly started again by the application or a component. This return type is suitable for services that perform specific tasks and don't need to be running continuously. For example, a service that plays a sound effect when a notification is received might use this option. And there are a lot of other modes like started redeliver intent, start sticky compatibility, and others. But the main two types is start not sticky and start sticky. I'll use start sticky now. I need to override another callback method called onDestroy. The execution of the service will stop on calling this method, the onDestroy. I need to stop the process. So player.stop. I need to stop the music. In Android, the onBind method is a part of the service class and is used specifically in the context of bound services. A bound service is a type of service that allows other components, usually activities, to bind to it and interact with it by obtaining an iBinder interface. And the iBinder interface is used to establish a communication channel between the components and the service. If you return null, and this is the default implementation, this indicates that the service doesn't support binding and therefore cannot be bound to. In this example, I'll not bind any activity to this service. We created my custom service class and we need to start the music and perform the operation to start this service. I'll go to the main activity, start button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I need to pass here the logic that allows us to start the custom service. I'll call a method called startService. The startService method is used to initiate the execution of a service. It's a way to start a service independently of other components and allows the service to perform background tasks or operations even if the initialization component is paused or destroyed. The startService method is used to start an unbound service. To start the service, you call the startService method, passing an intent that specifies which service you want to start, which is typically done from within an activity, broadcast receiver, or other application component. So for that, I need to create an intent object, Alt plus Enter to import the intent package. I name it as service intent equal to new intent, and I need to pass the context, get application context as first parameter, and the second parameter is the service class, my custom service.class. When we created the intents and use it to navigate between different components and different activities, we passed the name of the activity here and we called the method startActivity. But here I'm using service, so I'm calling this service startService method, and I need to use the intent to use this service. The same way, I need to use the stop button, set on click listener, new view on click listener, and I'll create or use a method called stopService. In the same way before, I'll copy this intent to use this method, my custom service, and I need to stop this service intent. Let's save the project, run the application, and if we click on the buttons, nothing happened because we didn't implement the service in the manifest. To implement the services successfully on any Android device, it's necessary to mention the created service in Android manifest.xml file. Because it's a component, we need to mention it inside the manifest file. So here you can see I mentioned the activity. So we have only one activity. I'll collapse it by clicking on this button here under the activity, and inside the application tag, I need to define the service. It's not possible for a service to perform its task if it is not mentioned in this file. The service name is mentioned inside the application tag. So I'll use service, and here I need to mention the name of my service, my custom service, and I'll use the closing tag for this service name. So you should mention the service as a tag in the Android manifest file. Let's run the application again, and this is our application. Click start service, and you can hear the sound of the ringtone. It's played continuously. And if you click on the home and you skip the application, you can see it's still running and making this sound, playing the audio sound.